Hello and welcome. My name is Megan and I'm going to be assisting you with your Microsoft Office account today. What we're going to be learning is how to apply a rule for any new messages coming into your inbox. What it's going to do is automatically sort those per your subject line and get sorted into whichever folder you designated to go into. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to need to do first is select the File tab on the top left. And then we will select the last icon named Manage Rules and Alerts. This will pop up a new dialog box, and as you can see, I already have a conflicts check rule applied, but we will need to select New Rule. And under Step 1, under Stay Organized, we want to select the second one named Move Messages with Specific Words in the subject to a folder. And then we will go ahead and click Next. So under Step 1 here, you will see that the first checkbox should be marked with specific words in the subject line because that is the condition that we want to apply to new messages in our inbox. And then under Step 2, we want to select specific words. And in this new dialog box, we want to add as many words or phrases that we'll need for Microsoft to apply towards these new messages in your inbox. So with the conflicts one, it just searched the subject line for conflicts checks. Since I work at a law firm, those come around a lot. And here you see the first word or phrase has been added. And I'm just showing you here that you can add another word or phrase and click Add. And you'll see here that both are populated in our search list. So let's click OK. And now we'll select Specified Folder. And this is going to allow us to designate which folder we want it to go to. So I already have a conflicts check folder made. If you wanted to, you would click that new icon and you would enter in a new file name and select the destination for that file name and click OK, and then it would divert you back to this. So I've selected my folder and now I'm going to click OK. And now we see that the words and the folder are here. Let's click Next. And these are the actions that we want this rule to do. So we want it to stop processing more rules once it's in that folder. And we want it to move to that specific folder. And if you scroll down, I dislike whenever emails are showing as not read. So it just starts counting all those that are not read. So I'm going to click Mark it as read. So it's going to move it into the folder, it's going to mark it as read, and it's going to stop processing any new rules. So here again we have 1, 2, and 3 actions applied. And we've already set up Step 2 previously. Just double check that those are correct and click Next. So here are any exceptions that you can apply. So maybe if the email is just sent to you, you don't want it moving into the folder because if it was only sent to you, then it must be important. Or maybe it has an attachment. That might be another good one. So you would just check mark as many of those exceptions as you want and then click Next. And here we are finishing up. So we will name this rule. I'm just going to name it Test here. And then so Step 2, we want to run this on messages already in your inbox if you're already overwhelmed and you want it to just scoot those on out of there into that folder. And you definitely want to make sure that Turn on this rule is checked. So click Finish. This will pop up. That's okay. It's just making sure you're in Outlook. Click OK. Now we're here and you can see that these are where your rule lists are. So I want both of them to be functioning. So I will go down, make sure that they're checked, click Apply. And that's going to tell the system, okay, let's run this and click OK. And you should be ready to rock and roll. So anytime from now on, whenever you open up your Microsoft Office account, it will sort it for you. I hope that this helps you stay organized at work or in school, or maybe you're self-employed and you just get so many emails. I hope that this helps you. Have a great day, and I've enjoyed it.